Hey guys, and welcome to another YouTube unboxing. And for today's YouTube episode unboxing, like I said, I was gonna get those Pioneer high-res audio headphones, and here they are. And yep, I got my knife right here, about to unbox it. And let's get to the unboxing. I saw it at a good price, I was the other day at the store online on Newegg, because I got these from Newegg. And I said, oh look, they have like this Father's Day deal where it was like, I don't know, they had like a timer or something. And I said, wow, this is amazing, $30, So I took them right away because the original price is $69. And bear with me, guys. And here they are, the Pioneer headphones. Pretty sleek. Here you get the manual, just your standard manual in Japanese and in English. And oh look, it's in Japanese, the warranty or something. And then here are the headphones. Has leather plush right here, leather plush right here, leather plush right here. I think this is aluminum or metal. And then you've got these. The earpiece, like a brushed nickel. Ooh, and the cord. Okay, yeah, the cord is a 3.5. And oh yeah, and it has the microphone also built into it. Other than that, that's about it. There's really nothing else to talk about with these headphones, other than that they're high-res audio. And yeah. Oh yeah, and they're over-the-ear headphones too. And well, guys, that was today's YouTube episode. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time, because soon I'll be buying a new laptop, and you'll be able to see me unbox that. Oh yeah, and one more thing. It says, so you can see there, it says high-res audio. That was today's YouTube episode. Always remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And check me out next time. Take care.